What's going on, guys? I'm back again with a new and exciting video. In this video, I will show you how to download one of the most important tweaks you have always been waiting for. I have received hundreds of questions about this tweak and how to download it on iOS devices. This tweak will enable you to hack thousands of games easily. This tweak is Game Guardian Tweak. Of course, we all know that Game Guardian Tweak is not free on iOS devices, but now I will show you how to download it for free and easily. Okay guys, the first thing you will do here is open Cydia. Now you need to add this source, which is classic source. Okay guys, after adding this source, open it. Okay, now go to all packages. Now here search for iGame Guardian Tweak. As you can see here, this is the tweak. Okay guys, now install this tweak. It may take up to 2 minutes to install. Okay guys, I've already installed it. Now after installing the tweak, go to the home screen and you will find the tweak icon on your device. As you can see guys, this is the Game Guardian tweak. When you open it for the first time, you must have internet connection. Now open Game Guardian tweak. Okay, as you can see here, this is the main interface of the tweak. Now I will show you how to hack some games. Of course, this tweak is not easy to use, but I will show you how to use it. This tweak contains several options. Okay, now open the game that you want to hack. I will modify and hack Crash Landing game. I love this game. Okay guys, I will open this game. Now as you can see, this is the game. As you see here, I have 1592 coins. Now I will show you how to use Game Guardian Tweak to modify this number and set the number you want. I will show you how to hack it. Okay, now go back to Game Guardian Tweak. Now here click refresh. Now here choose the name of the game that you want to hack. I will hack Crash Landing game. Now here click select. Now after choosing the game you want to hack, now go to the search bar at the bottom here. Now here click on number. There are several options here. If you don't understand the meaning of these options, be sure to select auto. Now here write the number of coins you have in the game or the thing that you want to modify. Now I will go back to the game and see how many coins I have. As you can see, I have 1592 coins. Now I will write the number of coins here. Now click on search and wait a few seconds. It should show you several results. As you can see, many results have appeared to me. Now you need to change the number of coins in order to get the result responsible for the number of coins in the game. Now go back to the game and buy anything or just get some coins. Now I will buy anything to change the number of coins. The important thing here is that you need to change the number of coins in the game. Okay, now here I have 1392 coins. Now go back to Game Guardian Tweak. Now here click number again. Now enter the number of coins you have. As you can see, now I have 1392 coins. Previously I had 1592 coins. Now click on search and wait a few seconds. Now you should see one or some few results. Okay, as you can see, there is one result. This result contains the coins ID, which is the responsible for the number of coins in the game. Now click on this result to change the number. Now here write any number you want. I will type 5 times. Okay, now press Enter. Now go back to the game and see the surprise. As you can see, I still have 1392 coins, but in fact I have 55,555 coins. Now buy anything and the number of coins will change automatically to the number you wrote down. As you can see, the number has changed to the number that I wrote. Now you can buy more features within the game easily and you can change the number again easily. Just go back to Game Guardian Tweak and change the number. As you can see, the number is updated automatically. Click on it and type any number you want. Okay, now I will write 9 7 times. Okay, now go back to the game. Now I will play the game a little. Okay guys, see how the number of coins will change automatically to the number that I wrote. Okay guys, watch how it will change now. As you can see guys, the same number that I wrote. As you can see guys, it's very simple to hack games with Game Guardian Tweak. Okay, now I am going to hack another game. I will hack Slap King's game. This is also a nice game. As you can see here, I have 2,175 coins. Now I will modify this number of coins. Now go back to Game Guardian Tweak. Now here choose the game name. Now go to the search bar. Now press number. Now write the number of coins you have. I have 2,175 coins. Okay, several results will appear the first time. Now go back to the game and buy or collect some coins. As you can see, now I have 1975 coins. Okay, now write the number of coins here. As you can see, I have 3 results. This means that these 3 results are responsible for the number of coins in the game. Now you need to change these 3 results. I will modify the first result. If you change one result, the number of coins will remain the same. See what happens. Okay, I will go back to the game. Now I will buy anything. The number of coins has not changed because I changed only one result. Okay, now I will change the 3 results. Here make sure that the 3 results contain the same number. Don't write a specific number in each result. Make sure all results contain the same number you typed. Now go back to the game and buy anything. As you can see guys, the number of coins has changed to the number that I wrote. Now you can buy anything inside the game, update your weapons, or buy new things. As you can see, Game Guardian is a great tweak that allows you to modify game data and hack games with ease. Of course, you will need some time to know how to use the tweak and how the tweak works. Okay guys, now go ahead and install Game Guardian Tweak. Now you can download it for free. Okay guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.